10 Wild Animals in Costa Rica. Costa Rica is an American country located in the central part of the continent, next to the Panama Canal. It is renowned to be the land of the free, with a very efficient and stable democracy, a free press, and a highly educated workforce, though it used to be a Spanish colony. An interesting part of the country that I wanted to tackle is its wildlife. In light of that, I have listed the best of it, and I hope you will love learning what animals live in Costa Rica. Place 10, Baird's Tapir. The Baird's tapir, also known as the Central American tapir, is a species of tapir native to Central America as a whole, but also northwestern South America. It is the largest native land mammal in Central and South America. Even though it can be active at all times, it is mainly a nocturnal animal. In order to feed, it forages for leaves and fruits. It likes to swim and wade, especially on hot days, and will therefore stay close to the water. Place 9, Common Vampire Bat. The common vampire bat is a small species of bat native to Latin America. There are two other vampire bats on the planet, the hairy-legged vampire bat, and the white-winged vampire bat. This bat preys on sleeping prey, at night, and cuts open the skin with its razor-sharp teeth, before lapping up the blood with its long tongue, just like vampires. Interestingly enough, it is a very cooperative species that will not hesitate to share food. Place 8, Spectacled Caiman. The spectacled caiman, also known as the speckled caiman, the common caiman, or the white caiman, is a species of crocodilian native to Latin America, though it has also been introduced to the United States, Puerto Rico, and Cuba. Compared to other crocodilians, this caiman is quite small. In typical crocodile behavior, it mostly stays still, resting on shores. However, it can move very rapidly when threatened, and males become aggressive and territorial during the rainy season. Place 7, Eyelash Viper. The eyelash viper, also known as Schlegel's viper, the horned palm viper, or the eyelash mountain viper, is one of the most common reptiles that can be found in Costa Rica. It is one of 20 venomous snakes in the country and is bright yellow. Its name comes from the little scales above its eyes that look like eyelashes. This viper can be seen in zoos all around the world, and is sometimes even kept as a pet, despite its dangerous venom. Place 6, Ocelot. The ocelot is a medium-sized species of wildcat native to the United States, Mexico, and Central and South America, as well as some Caribbean islands. Usually, it inhabits areas with dense vegetation, and water, and prey availability. The ocelot is a nocturnal predator that feeds on armadillos, lagomorphs, and possums. It is a very territorial animal and a skilled climber, swimmer, and leaper. Place 5, Margay. The margay is a small species of wildcat native to Central and South America that majorly feeds on small mammals, like monkeys, birds, tree frogs, and lizards. It is closely related to the ocelot, a larger version of itself, and is a nocturnal and solitary cat. Its population is steadily declining because of deforestation though. Place 4, Resplendent Quetzal. The resplendent quetzal, is one of the most stunning birds you will see in Costa Rica. It has long black and gray tail feathers, and lives in the canopy of cloud forests. This small but very bright bird usually feeds on fruit, but also on insects such as ants, larvae, and wasps, as well as lizards and frogs. It plays an important role in seed dispersal, especially for wild avocados. Place 3, Jaguar. The jaguar, probably the symbol of Central and South America as a whole. This large cat species is the only panther native to the Americas, and is the third largest one in the world. Though it is a very scary animal, it is very elusive and quite hard to spot. Despite this, it is still severely threatened by poaching, killings in human conflicts, and habitat loss. Because of this and the fact that the jaguar is an important part of local mythology and folklore, several protection plans were launched. Place 2, Mantled Howler. The mantled howler is a species of howler monkey, which are New World monkeys. It is native to Central and South America, and can easily be seen and heard in the wild in Central America. As its name suggests, it literally howls. Males, often in groups, do not hesitate to produce loud calls, usually at dawn, at dusk, or in response to potential danger. Funnily enough, these howls are used to locate other monkeys without having to move. Place 1, Scarlet Macaw. The scarlet macaw is one of the most notorious species of parrot. It is large, yellow, blue, and mostly red, and is native to Costa Rica, as well as other Central and South American countries such as Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, Bolivia, and Venezuela. Due to habitat destruction and illegal parrot trade, this macaw has locally disappeared in some areas. Because of its bright and spectacular plumage, it is one of the most widely appreciated birds in aviculture alongside its relative, the blue and yellow macaw. Wow.